You just did it. It's all done. Say, who is that for? It's for Papa's birthday? Yes. Can you show Mommy in the camera? You gonna fix it? See. That is a good job, Tyler. That's perfect.
That person back to the home.
Yeah, that's perfect. Did you do that all by yourself?
Okay, put out and back to the home.
Oh, the stickers are going to go back to their home? Hey, whose birthday is it?
Papa.
Can you say, happy birthday, Papa?
Happy birthday.
Say it. Say it in here, Ty. Are you putting it back on the thing? Okay, now look at Mommy. Say, happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday.
Can you sing it? Happy birthday.
No.
Aww. Singing is fun. Okay, we'll sing it tomorrow then. Say bye.
Bye.